Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Dishwasher Upper Dishrack Rail. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Upper Dishrack Rail. The Upper Dishrack Rail is what the upper dish rack rides on. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and the upper dish rack's not sliding in and out properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to pull the upper rack out. Then you want to pull both the rails out a little bit. Then we have to remove the end caps off each one. So we're going to press on the locking tab right here and then push it towards the center of the dishwasher. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. The other side comes off the same way. Once you have the end caps off, you can pull the upper dish rack off and set it aside. Now that we have the rack out of the way, we have access to the rear end cap. It's held in by a little locking tab on the top. If you can't reach it with your finger, you can use a small flathead screwdriver to reach up and press on it and lift up on the end cap. If you drop it, you can just reach in and pull it out of the dishwasher. Once you have the end cap off, you can just pull the rail out, pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old upper dish rack rail next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new upper dish rack rail in, all you have to do is line it up with the rollers and push it back into place. Then we're going to put the rear end cap on. We want to make sure that the locking tab is on the top. Just line it up and push it down into place so it locks in. Once you have that on, we can put the rack back in. Just want to line up the wheels and the rails and make sure they go on. Once you have it on, you can push it in, and then we can put the end caps on. To put the end caps on, just want to line the little tabs up with the cutouts and push it into place. Once you have it started, you can just press on it and lock it in. The other side goes in the same way. Once you have the end caps on, you can push the upper rack back in, close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.